Good morning, children. So we are going through the chapter motion and time, and the previous class I explained you some of the types of motion and examples of each of it, right? So today I am going to explain you uniform and non-uniform motion. Before the definition of uniform and non-uniform motion, let's go through one example, right? So we have two cars here. Can you see? Yes. So the first car, it started its journey from A position, okay, and it covers 16 meter in 8 seconds, right? So this car started its journey from A position and reaches to the another position. How much distance it covers? Totally 16 meter it covered the distance in 8 seconds. Now let's observe how the car covered the 16 meter in 8 seconds, right? So first the car started its journey from A position. First 2 seconds, this car covered the distance 4 meter, right? Next 2 seconds, this car covered a distance 8 meter. Next, now the car is in 8 here. This is the position of car now. Next 2 seconds, this car covered a distance of 12 meter. Finally, the next 2 seconds, it covered a distance up to 16 meter. Children, one see there. First 2 seconds, 4 meter. Next 2 seconds, 8 meter. Next 2 seconds, 12 meter. Next 2 seconds, 16 meter. Right? Just I am drawing one table of this one. So, here the time, here the distance. Time, the unit is second. Time, the unit is second, and the distance, the unit is meter. Okay? So, first 2 seconds. So, starting stage, times 0 and distance also covered 0 only. At 0 second, distance covered also 0. Next 2 seconds, what about the car cover the distance? 4 meter. Next 2 seconds, that means the time becomes 4 seconds. 2 plus 2, 4. How much distance it covered? 8. Next 2 seconds, that means time becomes 6 seconds. Then it covered 12 meter. Next 2 seconds, that is 8 seconds. It covers 16 meter. Right? Is it or not? So one see there. We can say that in each 2 seconds, the car is covering a distance of 4 meter. Is it or not? Each 2 seconds, the car is covering a distance of 4 meter. So, equal interval of time, equal distance. The car is covering equal distance in equal interval of time. Then we can say that the motion of this car is uniform motion. Let us see the difference. 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 4 meter. Here the difference, 2 seconds, 4 meter. Here the difference, 2 seconds, 4 meter. Equal distance in equal interval of time. Such type of motion we call as uniform motion. Understood? If we want to draw one graph, we can draw it. Let's see it. So, before that, I will tell you once again the definition. What is the definition? So, let's see the definition of uniform motion. A body is said to have uniform motion if it travels equal distance in equal interval of time. Understand? A body is said to have uniform motion if it travels equal distance in equal intervals of time. This is a definition of uniform motion. Now let us see the graph of a uniform motion. How become the graph of a uniform motion? Let's see the graph of a uniform motion. Just to have a look on the table, just we have explained now. So x-axis I have taken time, y-axis I have taken distance. Okay. So at a 0 second, the car covers the distance 0 only. So here is our point. Next 2 seconds, it covers 4 meter. Next 2 seconds, it covers 8 meter. And next 2 seconds, it covers 12 meter. And finally, in 8 seconds, at 8 seconds, it covers 16 meter. So just join that points once. Join the points. So what you are getting? You are getting a straight line graph, right? You are getting a straight line graph. So we can say that the graph of a uniform motion is a straight line. Note it down this one. The graph of a uniform motion is straight line. Now we are going to learn non-uniform motion. Let's observe the movement of this car. Okay. So first 2 seconds, the car covers the distance of 2 meter. Right? So it reaches up to here. Next 2 seconds, it covers a distance of 8 meter. Okay. Next 2 seconds, it covers a distance of 10 meter. Finally, the next 2 seconds, it covers the distance of 16 meter. So this is the movement of the car in each 2 seconds. So before like that, here also I am drawing the column. I am drawing the table. So here is the time in seconds and the distance in meter. Distance in meter. At 0 second, the car covers 0 meter only. Next 2 seconds, it covers 2 meter. Next 2 seconds, it covers 8 meter. Next 6 seconds, 10 meter, and finally in 8 seconds, it covers 16 meter, up to 16 meter. So here, what you can observe? The difference between the time interval is 2 seconds only. Before like that, 2 seconds only. And the difference between the distance, you see there, here 2 meter, here 6 meter, here again 2 meter, again 6 meter. So you can see here equal intervals of time. But is the car covers equal distance in equal intervals of time? No. In 2 seconds, first 2 seconds it covers 2 meter. Next 2 seconds it covers 6 meter. Next 2 seconds again 2 meter. Again next 2 seconds 6 meter. Is it equal distance is the car covering there? No. So this car covers unequal distance in equal intervals of time. Right? Unequal distance in equal intervals of time. Such type of motion. So we can say that the motion of this car is called non-uniform motion. Right? So we can say that our car, this car is in which motion? Non-uniform motion, because it covers unequal distance in equal intervals of time. So let's see the definition of non-uniform motion. So let's see the definition of non-uniform motion. A body is said to be have non-uniform motion if it travels unequal distances in equal intervals of time. Children, please note it down. The definition of non-uniform motion is a body is said to be have non-uniform motion if it travels unequal distances in equal intervals of time. So now let's see the graph of non-uniform motion. So let's see the graph of a non-uniform motion. What we got the graph of a uniform motion? We got straight line, right? So let's see the shape of non-uniform motion. Is it get the straight line or any other shape? Let's see it. Same like that. X-axis I have taken time, y-axis I have taken distance, and the starting, I mean at 0 second the car covers 0 meter only. Next 2 seconds it covers 4 meter. Next 2 seconds it became 8 meter. Next 2 seconds the car covers 10 meter. In 8 seconds it became 16. Just join the points. Join the points once. So just join the points. What is the shape you are getting? What is the shape of the graph you are getting? It's a curve shaped graph, right? Not a straight line. We got a curve shaped graph we are getting. For which motion? Non-uniform motion. So what we understood? The graph of a uniform motion or a straight line, and the graph of a non-uniform motion is which shape? Curve shape. Understood? Understood the difference between uniform and non-uniform motion? Okay, my dear children. So, next topic we will go for the next day, and have a nice day, children. Thank you.